The easiest way to cover this thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, wow. So I do not use a very thick blanket even during the winter. And Mama knows this. So she made me a blanket. Mama is actually hand stitching this for me. And then she told me that she has a really fast way for me to put the cover on this part. So I'm interested to see how she does that. So comfortable.
在国外就用一个单子把这个背心儿一包就盖了，然后在中国呢必须用被罩。下面呢就是范不凡同志要给大家演示着在中国怎么套被罩，盖在这个背心儿上盖好。
My son likes it too.
哎呀，口在那边，然后这样结叠，对，然后这样。
Okay. And just fold it?
Roll it.
Or roll it? Okay.
卷到这，看到这有口吧？
Oh, okay. Ah. I haven't seen the finished product, but this is starting to look like the easiest way to cover this thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, wow. Oh my God. So I can tell you from experience that I have actually caught my wife and she's trying to tie the ends and everything. And all I can see of my wife is her little feet sticking out of the end. So I think this is a much easier way to put the blanket inside the cover. And it looks like my son approves too. Do you approve? Huh? Yeah. Da-da-da-da. All done and ready to sleep. 睡觉啦。
能记住吗？
Not really, but we can always rewatch the video.
下次你家套被罩就是你的活了，记住没有？
Okay, 谢谢，拜拜。